Hey all, this is Alicia, married to Anat. Again, for those who haven't watched our videos until now, we have 4 kids, some on the spectrum, the autistic spectrum, some with issues of depression and anxiety, and we're here to share some of our tips for how to handle kids under duress, in such difficult times. So, very briefly, one of the things that we sometimes have a challenge with is having our kids be able to express clearly what they're feeling, and day in, day out, being able to sort of emote it effectively, especially when they're very young. So during COVID, we developed this technique, which I'll show you in a moment. It's like a thermometer, okay, that measures your insanity. We called it the insanity meter, and you can see over here, it starts from below where your insanity is the lowest, and you can see the smileys are good, and then as you go up, the insanity increases until your head blows up. And this little technique is both good for kids who don't have words but are able to sort of associate with a picture or an image of what they're feeling, and in a way that has also a light way, more humoristic. And you can see it's all homemade. So we also have the kids actually make their own insanity meters, choose the icons, the emojis that they want to use, and then we can help them track over time what they're feeling. So that's it. That's my tip for the day, and I hope you stay safe. I hope this helps you with your kids to sort of express themselves and communicate on how they feel. And so good luck till the next video.